we're going to be talking about money.
That's right. In this video, we're going to be spilling all the tea about book royalties. What they are, how they work, and how much you can actually earn from publishing your book. Let's find out. Royalties are the money that you earn from each book sale after deducting platform fees, printing costs, and the publisher's share. How much you earn depends on how you publish. How do royalties work in traditional publishing? Traditional publishers cover the upfront costs of editing, printing, distribution, and marketing, which is why traditional publishers take a large percentage of royalties. Here's how it works. The author sells the book rights to a publisher in exchange for an advance, which is a lump sum payment made upfront. Once the book is published, the author can earn royalties from their book only after the advance is paid back to the publisher through book sales. Even after that, authors typically only earn 5 to 15% of their book's retail price. For example, if your book sells for 500 rupees and you have a 10% royalty rate, that means that you will earn 50 rupees per book sale. But this is only after the advance has been recovered by the publisher. How do royalties work in self-publishing? Self-published authors don't get an advance, but they get to keep 80 to 100% of their royalties after platform fees, and they get to decide the pricing of their book. In self-publishing, royalties are based on the MRP of your book. You get to decide the MRP of your book depending on your production costs and the profit margin that you want. While this gives you more freedom, it also means that you need to actively market your book to maximize sales. Well, traditionally published authors may earn lower royalties per book sale, but they sell many copies because of publisher marketing. But self-published authors might earn more per book sale, but to sell more copies, they will have to actively work on marketing their book. So how do you increase your royalties? Whether you choose traditional publishing or self-publishing, here's how you can maximize your earnings. Firstly, price your book strategically. Set a price that covers all your production costs while also remaining affordable to your audience. The second tip is publishing in many formats. While the best format depends on the content of your book, publishing an ebook, paperback, hardcover, and audiobook can help you reach different types of readers and maximize your earnings. And finally, prioritize marketing. To sell more copies, you need to reach the right readers through well-planned marketing strategies. The more visibility your book gets, the higher your chances of success. And that's it. Hope this video gives you clarity about royalties. As always, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and we'll answer them. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!